Right, welcome back. I hope you all have been doing well, staying safe, staying healthy. Today we're going to get started by going over our advanced exponential functions when you do with growth and decay. So for that, we're going to switch to my screen. Here we go. So we have the document camera here. We have advanced exponential functions introduction. Okay, so like I said, we have two options here. We can have growth, right, or decay. Which I chose red and green for a reason. They look nice. Alright, so for these both, we will have a general form of what they look like. It's going to be very similar to our basic exponential functions, with a slight change. Right. For our growth, it's going to have the form of y equals a times 1 plus b with an exponent of x. All right. And your decay is going to be y equals a times 1 minus b with an exponent of x. All right. So the main difference here is we have plus the growth rate for growth and minus the decay rate for decay. All right. We also will have our now next rules. For growth, it's going to be next equals now times 1 plus b, starting at a. And for decay, we will have next equals now times 1 minus b, starting at a. All right. So this should look very similar. The only difference is we have this 1 here in both of these that was not there when we talked about our basic examples. So what we also want to keep in mind is that for both of these, there's some things that are in common, right? So we have in both forms, the following will always be true. All right. We have A, B, and X in both of them. A will be the start value, just as it has been in our basic exponential functions. All right. B will be your growth or decay rate as a decimal or fraction. And it can be either one. And then X is going to be time. Most of the examples we do here are going to have to do with time. And this will depend on the context. All right. But it could be, days, hours, minutes, or any other unit of time that could come up within our context. But almost always X will be time. All right. So this is just super brief introduction on what these things look like. Keep in mind, the forms look almost the same. Just remember, with growth, we're adding the rate. With decay, we're subtracting the rate that we were given. All right. So please check out the next video for an example on advanced exponential growth.